In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can get points in Steam. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So to get points in Steam, the first thing that you want to do is open up Steam, log into your account. Now, the way that the point system works on Steam is that, for an example, if I go to the library and I click on home, or if I go to the store and then I browse a game, and let's just say I buy this game for $5.99, I will get some points when I purchase this game for $5.99. So you get points when you purchase games on the Steam store. So the best and easiest way to get Steam points is to purchase games, and the more expensive the game, the more points you are going to get. So if you've been waiting patiently for a game to get released and it's finally released, you want to purchase that through Steam so you can get those points. And then also, if you go to the community tab and you're constantly reviewing games and writing good community posts, then you'll get rewarded with Steam points for those community posts or reviews that you do get from the other users of Steam. And then when you have Steam points, you can go to your profile and you can see you can edit your profile and you can make it look nice. You can add these backgrounds and everything like that, and you can fully customize your profile on Steam. Now, Steam points cannot be bought with your credit or debit card. You basically just need to purchase games, interact in the community, and get rewarded in points. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.